What's up? What's up? It's your girl Rissa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please welcome to the family, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I put up another video. If you already been here, welcome back. Thank you for continuing to support me and being part of my family. So today we are having Church's chicken. I have 3 pieces of chicken, 2 biscuits, corn, their new biscuit dessert. I don't know what that's about. And macaroni and cheese. So we're gonna say our prayers. Put that right there. We're gonna say our prayers and we're gonna get into this food. Amen. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing good. What everybody's been up to. It's like some old macaroni. Look at that. It look old. It looks old. Let me see. I'm gonna taste it. I don't know. I don't like that. I've had Church's macaroni and cheese. It was better than this. So Phoebe, mommy talking. There go that corn. Y'all take the first bite. I should use this for that corn challenge they got going around. Ooh, that is some salt. But I'm gonna give y'all the other one. Y'all can buy this one. Ooh, look at that chicken. Take y'all a bite. You gotta eat Church's while it's hot. I'm sorry. Huh? I like Church's. Not being in Popeyes, but Church's is the one that's sending you the coupons in the mail. Okay. Popeyes, they done slide off. They used to. I had to call them today. Where's my coupon? The chicken is good. This corn ain't sweet at all. This corn ain't even a little bit sweet. When you eating corn, you want your corn to be sweet, you know? Well, that corn ain't sweet. Get it together, Churches. Get it together. Other than that, yep, it's good. Ooh, we are almost at 300, guys. Yeah, we always at 300. So let's keep doing what we doing. Keep sharing me out. I appreciate it. Keep being part of my family. Keep showing the love and the support. Church's chicken got a lot of fat though. It's hot, but that's good. Yeah, I knew I was gonna have to look under these glasses eventually. That's fat. What are some of the things y'all like to do for fun? Me, I'm more of a homebody type person, but I'm trying to come out my shell. So I signed up for the gym because eating all this food, it's gonna be bigger than the house. Inside of a wild house, girl. I know how Tyler Perry said. Inside of a wild house. I love fried chicken though. Love. You want to look at me and tell I used to wouldn't even eat no fried foods. Alright, child, please. Once I started, I was like, oh, is this what I've been missing? I know that's right. Started tearing it down. Ain't stopped yet, but I need to. Not stop, but let's say slow down. Because I don't want to deprive my body of food. Chicken is crunchy. They didn't even give me no extra honey. That corn about to get on my nerves. It'd be good if I had some salt. But I don't want to put no salt on it, so I ain't gonna eat it. I taste this biscuit. I never tasted this biscuit before. We got a first bite. Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, you didn't know? No, I'm good. So guys, that's my dinner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I put up another video, and share. I know you want to keep me out to yourself, but share me out to everybody. Share me. Until next time, y'all, stay prayed up, keep God first, and always believe in yourself and know that you can do anything you put your mind to. So, yeah. God loves you, and so do I. Until next time, I'm out.